Are we ready? 5B.
Yes, ma'am.
We were doing exercise C yesterday. Yeah?
Yeah.
Exercise C. I want everyone's camera on. Only then I'll begin the session.
Ma'am, in grammar book, which page number?
24. Visha, Vedi, Freya, Mohit, Gunav.
Just I'm taking my book.
And what are we doing?
Page 24 of the grammar book. With that, we are continuing with the exercises of adjectives and comparisons.
24, ma'am. See,
24. 24.
Ma'am, I
Mohit,
have one
Freya,
magic
Gunav.
Ma'am.
Yes, Twisha.
Ma'am, I have got hurt on my hand, so ma'am, I'm not able to write.
That's okay. You complete your work once I send you in the classroom.
Ma'am, we are on question 4, right?
Yeah. Freya, Gunav, Daksh, I'm still waiting. I'm not going to start the section till all the cameras are not on.
Ma'am, page number 25.
4.
I completed on my own.
Page number 24. Yes, Arna, what were you saying?
Ma'am, I completed exercise E also on my own.
Very good. Gunav, Daksh. Ayush, place your camera properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Place your camera properly. Daksh and Gunav, if you're not switching on the camera, I'm going to remove you and then I'll not be able to add you. Wow. Why do people need a, what do you call this? Dhamki. Now whose camera is off? Good. Everyone's camera is on. Okay. We were on number 4 yesterday. When Varun saw his result, he was full of happiness. Jahan Agarwal, please answer. Jahan Agarwal, answer number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer number 4.
Yes, ma'am. When Varun saw his result, he was happy.
He was happy, correct. When Varun saw his result, he was happy. Number 5, Mohit. Switch on your mic.
Abhinay is a fearless man.
Abhimanyu is a fearless man. Children, you have to write the complete sentence on the blank, okay? Number 6, Anya Mittal.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, I cannot read first word.
Saransh. That's a name.
Saransh is intellect. Saransh is in. Ma'am, I cannot pronounce it.
This is what happens when you don't attend reading and listening and all those sessions which are kept for me.
Ma'am,
This is
I
what
can tell.
we're not able to pronounce simple words which we use in our daily language also.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Lakshmi.
Shahaz is intelligent and witty.
Witty. Witty.
Witty.
Witty.
Witty.
Saransh is intelligent and witty. Gunav, camera. Vivan, Rahel, camera. I'm not teaching. Good. If you want to sit with the cameras off in my class, mic off, you better leave my class. Good. Good decision, Rahel. Number 7. Ridan. Number 7.
Yes. Fruit's bus journey to Lake was incomplete.
Uncomfortable. Farouk's bus journey to Leh was uncomfortable. And children, reminder, group 1 has to come for the speaking class today.
Story. I love. I know. I have prepared.
Story narration today. Are we all ready? For the
Ma'am, I have to. I will speak or you will show the presentation. I have to read it. I will present though. I will. Ma'am, I will say no the story to you. Okay. I know the story. A moral story.
Ma'am, I also.
Gunav, Kushahujan, camera on.
Ma'am,
This is so irritating.
ma'am.
Yes, Anushka.
In the reading session, what is writing skills or reading skills?
I didn't get your question, Anushka. Your voice is breaking. What is?
And what will we do in today's reading session? That speaking skills or writing skills?
You don't know. Anushka, you are not aware what we are going to do today.
Speaking skills, moral story. Ma'am,
Anushka.
for Anushka is not in our group. Only Anushka is not in our group.
Anushka is not in.
Yes, ma'am. In our group there is Freya, Ayush, Aryaman, Dhyan, me, and Daria.
Why?
Anushka is there in our group.
Anushka is in group 1. The group is being set alphabetically. So A is in group 1. Anushka, aren't you aware? Some people are hibernating in my class. They sleep for 2 months, wake up after 2 months. Anushka, I'm asking you something. And I don't want to just look at you. Yes.
Ma'am, but in class, is not able to showing that you can't go into class.
Why? Why you are the only one who's getting this?
No, ma'am, it happened that you couldn't place the video call as P.Anushka. My account was like
No.
that was coming. Yes, sir, I was not able to join.
Only if you join after the class has ended or before the class has started, you will get this message. The class starts at 12:30 and ends at 12:50. Sometimes it gets extended till 1, but otherwise the class is every day. For grade 5B, it is on Friday and Saturday. Aren't you aware of this, Anushka?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Aren't you
Can you
aware
repeat?
of this?
What, ma'am?
It is really bad. Anushka, log off and log in and get this connection fixed. Yeah, sure. Next is adjectives of quantity and number. So what do we need to remember? The rules. Adjectives of quantity answer the question how much, and they are basically used with which types of noun? Uncountable nouns. We use how much. For example, give me some money. How much money? Some money. I don't have much work to do. I don't have much work to do. Work is uncountable, that's why we are adding much to it. Then adjectives of number tell us how many. For example, they specify 7 marbles in the box. So how many marbles were there in the box? 7 marbles. Many birds were flying over the tree. How many birds were flying over the tree? Many birds were flying. Number 1. Number 1, I want Dheirya Shah to answer. Dheirya, please answer number 1.
Yeah, ma'am. Rubina goes to the gym 5 days in a week.
5 days in a week, because we are specifying the number. We can't say Rubina goes to the gym enough days a week. We know how many days are there in a week, right? So days in a week are countable nouns, right? So that's why we are writing the number. Number 2, Rudra Master.
Ma'am,
Mr. Malhotra.
Mr. Malhotra asks, how much sugar have you put in the tea? How much sugar?
How much sugar? Why are we using much here?
Ma'am, because the sugar is uncountable.
Sugar is an uncountable noun. That's why we are using much here. Okay. Number 3. Yes, Ridan.
Ma'am, in group tour skills, I write a story that we have to say the story in scene book or by ourselves.
What have you done, Ridan? Have you learned the story or what have you done?
I write the story in notebook.
Ma'am, I learned.
Who told you to write the story? Did you read?
I also learned.
One sec, children, one sec. I'm like sick and tired of you people, yeah. You don't understand English. You don't read the announcement that I make in the class.
Ma'am, I learn and write.
One sec, one sec. I can't see half of the children. Just wait, I'll just log off and log in, children.
Ma'am, no. In my laptop it is issue. If you present, I cannot see you all.
No, right now only this has happened. I can't see one whole line of children. Wait, I'll just log off and log in.
Okay.
Just be there. Yeah, now I
Ma'am,
can see it. Okay, the announcement that I had posted in the class. Who has read that announcement? I mean, who has seen that? Ayush. Please.
Rudra Master.
Ayush. Ayush. Who all can find that announcement on the class right now? Kosha, Huja, find it and read it for us. Find it and read it for us. 5B.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to complain about you people to Jyoti ma'am. I'm done with this class. I'll tell her to change your teacher.
Ma'am, there is no announcement in classroom.
Thank you.
Ma'am?
Smriti. Thank you. Yes, coach.
Ma'am, I have find.
You found it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read it for Samriddhi, for Anushka, for
Please note that the next week we will be having a speaking skill class during the reading slot at 12:30 p.m. Please prepare a short moral story for a minimum 1 minute duration. You have to narrate the story in the class. You can use props of your choice to reading in the story aloud will be not allowed. You can make up your own story or refer to moral stories from YouTube. Please note down your date. Group 1 2nd July, Group 2 3rd July.
Yes, ma'am. I see. Can I read?
now. Who was this? Who asked me? Samriddhi?
Yes, I am.
Shh. Lakshay, wait, beta. Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
No announcement in the class?
No, ma'am. I
Good.
discussed to
Yours Google Meet is different than the rest of the children, no? Your 5B is your own world in which I am not there.
Ma'am, but I had refreshed 5 to 6 times.
And where is Ridhan? Ridhan, where are you? Yeah, Ridhan. Did you read the announcement? Did you hear the announcement? Did I write in some hi-fi English that you people did not understand? It's simple, plain English that I have written. The story is to be narrated. You will not be allowed to read. I have specifically mentioned that line there. You will not be allowed to read. You have to say it without reading. And yes, Kriya, it also says that you will be graded for it. If you have ever seen your report cards, it has 4 sections in the language: English and Hindi: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. So in the speaking class, when you're talking without seeing, that's what we grade you for. That's why have you noticed in these 2 months, in April month and June month, that every week we are having one section of LSRW. One week we are doing listening skills class, in which I'm showing you the video, you're answering the question. In 1 week we are doing reading of stories. 1 week we did writing, in which I showed you a video and the words were missing and you filled in the Google form. And this week we are doing.
Ma'am, I can send this.
And this week, thank you, Lakshay. Love you. And this week we are doing speaking because this is the last week of June. So we covered all 3, no? L, S, R, W. Yes or no?
Yes.
You people didn't do this in grade 4, that you're finding this new. You didn't
No,
do
ma'am,
it.
like this same to same it was in speaking skills, same to same in 4th.
So then, did you read the story there? Did you people read the story there?
No, ma'am, we had learned it.
What is it that I am failing to understand, and you people are also failing to understand? I need to know this. Let's close what we were doing right now. Class 5B. I'm not happy with this class at all. Gunav, I have been telling you since the class has started to switch on your camera, but he'll not listen. These are the kind of people I have in my class. Anushka does not know. What do we have to do? All those who will be absent in their class, there's a big section of speaking in your report card, all the pointers will have F in it. Fail. I hope you understand what is the meaning of F.
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am, those are come get A.
And
Alright.
listening skills also you will get F. All those who don't listen to me and switch on the camera, all will get F. I've been warning you people since long.
Sitting on the camera
My whole time gets
and join the HRM class.
My whole time in this class gets wasted on giving you instructions. Bhashan is the right word.
No, ma'am.
What no, ma'am?
Ma'am, see, children are leaving.
They think I'm giving bhashan, no?
Yes.
So they're leaving the class.
They rejoin and tell what we are, ma'am, what you are told to children. I don't
Lakshya
listen.
understands very much what I'm going through right now. Thank you, Lakshya.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I have one magic trick.
What Karna?
Ma'am, I have one magic trick.
What am I talking and you're talking about magic trick? What nonsense is this? And I don't see much children in the HRM also. Why? HRM
Ma'am, I forgot it.
as
HRM.
your class as your periods. I have never seen Anya in the class, Mohit, Gunav, Ekansh, Daksh Patel, Kush Ahuja, Jahan Agarwal, and Arna. I've never seen these people in HRM. I only have a bunch of, a dozen people only in the class come to my class for HRM.
Ma'am, Agarwal is every meeting.
I'm giving
That today's magic.
What Vedant?
So those who not do magic yesterday, they will do this HRM in this HRM.
Please don't confuse the time of the reading slot and the HRM. HRM is from 12:20 to 12:30 and 12:30 to 12:50 is the reading slot in which we do the LSRW every month. So whole period gets wasted like this. I've already finished page 26 with my grade 5A. Okay. Where were we? Number 3. Number 3.
Yes.
Anya has answered. Dhyan Shalya, will you be able to answer number 3?
Ma'am, Radhan Goyal is answering.
What?
Ma'am, Radhan Goyal is answering this question.
Ma'am, you said to read and girl to read this question and answer the question.
Dhyan Shalya, where are you? Can't see you.
He's left the meeting.
We were 27 and now we are 23. Why do people leave the meeting in between? And I got a feedback from all the teachers yesterday. We had a meeting. I got a feedback from all the teachers yesterday that the class starts with 28, 29. And by mid of the class, it's just 15 to 16 students in the class. Is that right, children? Dhairyam? Does this happen in some children in the class?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, do you remember yesterday? Leave the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you remember yesterday in starting it was 12 people, then it became 35, then in between only it became again 15 or 12.
Yes, ma'am. In the maths class and EVS and computer and art and dance class and
Music
Leave the
class.
class and go.
yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'll call the principal tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. And the principal
Principal sir
watch
will come.
everyone and
Then I'll see who leaves the class.
I meet the principal sir. I never meet.
I'll send him an invitation.
Yes, ma'am. We meet and do lots of fun and we'll.
Okay, number 3. Whom did I ask?
Dhyan Shelia.
And he's left. Okay. Migdad, please answer number 3.
Ma'am, it was a Fridhan.
Migdad, number 3.
Yes, ma'am. Dash clouds floated in the sky in the evening. Survival. Sorry.
Several. Survival. It's several clouds floated in the sky in the evening.
Because you can't know all the clouds. How many clouds are there in the reality? You can't count them.
So it's several clouds, yeah. Number 4, Kushahuja.
Yes, ma'am. David said, "Give me some ice cream. I am hungry."
Why did we use some?
Ma'am, because ice cream is uncountable.
Ice cream is uncountable. Yash Desai, keep your camera off only.
Ma'am, mine was on, but I keep it off right now.
Why?
Ma'am, like that only.
I'll remove you from the class like that only. My wish. I'll also start doing things like that only. I'm going to now behave the way you behave in my class. If you don't behave properly, I'm not going to behave properly. I'm going to be like you people.
Ma'am,
Number 5. Yes.
ma'am, ice cream can count in one scoop ice cream also.
What, Rudra? Didn't get your question.
Ma'am, we can count in one scoop ice cream like that.
That you can count, but when you're eating it, he's saying give me dash ice cream. It doesn't say scoops. It doesn't tell you the measuring unit. Yeah, it doesn't say give me dash scoops of ice cream. If it would have been there scoops, then we could have written 3 scoops, 4 scoops. But scoops is not written here. So it's in liquid form or maybe solid form, which is uncountable. So that's why we use some. Got it, Rudra? Number 5. There.
Yeah, ma'am. There is dash rice in the sack. There is little rice in the sack.
Little rice in the sack. Why little? Why are we using little?
Ma'am, because rice can be counted like no, ma'am, because rice is not countable.
Rice is not countable. That's why we are using little. Okay. Next is demonstrative adjectives. Our demonstrative adjective points out at a specific person, animal, place, or thing, and it answers the question which one. We have done this earlier also. This, that, these, those. This is for singular, these is for plural, that is for things which are far, we are pointing, and those is for plural things that we are pointing, right? Move to the next page. Number 1, Samriddhi. The options are already given.
Yes, ma'am. A minute.
Number 1.
The Ruchika.
Ma'am, she has left.
Ma'am, she is done.
Swisha,
Ma'am,
please
can I
answer.
say? Ma'am, now?
Yeah, Samriddhi.
Okay. An elephant is bigger than a mouse.
Samriddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
clap for yourself loudly with the mic on.
Why, ma'am?
No, first you clap for yourself. All of us will clap. Come on. All of us will clap for Samriddhi.
We are page number 26.
And now somebody please tell her why did we clap for her? I know the
Because
reason.
Samriddhi, we are doing. Yeah,
Page
we are
number
doing
26.
question
exercise
E.
E.
We do 26 in E.
Ma'am, actually, I done the question E, F, and G, and now only, so I was confused.
Keep the camera off, beta.
Ma'am, my camera was on full
Who
time.
told you to switch it on? Keep it off.
Ma'am, it was full time on.
So, where were you full time on?
Ma'am, I was sitting here and
You were not full time in. Your camera was full time on, but you were not full time in the class.
No, ma'am, I was.
So you would have known, no, which sentence we were on.
Ma'am, but I was
Already written all the answers.
I had done it.
Freya, please answer number 1. I am tired.
Why is this room so untidy?
Very good. Number
Excuse me,
yes. Who's this?
Ma'am.
Excuse me.
Ma'am, I did this exercise now, and if we put this in the fourth one, we will have to put this.
Migdad. We'll move on to that later. Number 2. Anushka. Now everybody please see Samriddhi's camera is off and she will tell me my camera was all on full time.
Ma'am, my camera was on.
Full time. Now it is on. Full time.
Are native to China.
Again, Anushka.
Those flowers are native to China.
These flowers are native to China. Native means that they belong to that particular place. So these flowers, why are we using these? Because flowers is plural, right? Flowers is plural. Or we can also use those in it. We see the picture here, right? We see the picture of this flowers here. But if we don't have the picture, we can also say those flowers are native to China. Okay, number 3, Gunav. And number 4, Ayush.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Gunav, I'm calling out your name. What are you saying? I can say.
Who are those people standing around
Across.
the road?
Yes. Why are we using those?
Because 2 people, more than 2.
Because
More than 2.
can't hear you.
More than.
He's saying because it's more than 2.
Yeah, it is plural. So that's why we are using the plural form. But why aren't we using these? That's my question. Nobody will answer. Why aren't we using these people? Why are these people standing across the road? Yes, Guna.
Well, because far
Huh? Because they are.
because they are far.
They are far because they're standing.
And the word across means
on the
far.
side of the road, on the other side of the road, right? So that's why we are going to use those, because we are demonstrating, we are pointing towards them. Number 4, Ayush, quickly.
Yes, ma'am. It should be that. Will you help me? That cartoon in the cupboard.
Okay, will you help me put that cartoon in the cupboard? Now this can have both. It can have this also and that also.
Yes.
Will you help me
Ma'am.
put this cartoon in the cupboard? Oh, will you
Ma'am,
help me?
I write that it because this is already done.
Okay.
Ma'am, there are now only 18 people.
Yeah. I know everyday story. This is everyday story. I've already informed Jyoti ma'am.
Ma'am, see how many
She is
children
not-
are there is left.
When
Okay.
with you, we are 18 and without you, we are only 17.
Okay, children. Please learn the rules given on page 26 for possessive adjectives and come tomorrow.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And we'll continue with exercise F tomorrow.
Ma'am, tomorrow is
Bye.
tomorrow is not school. Only tomorrow we have.
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow is 4th. Monday will do. Monday.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.